So another case of molestation has surfaced at a government-run health center in the Birbhum district of West Bengal. One person has been arrested over a complaint of molestation of an off-duty nursing staff at a health center which comes under the Birbhum district. In fact, my colleague Tanushka joins us to get us more on this story. Tanushka, what are the details of this story? It is really unfortunate that something like this keeps happening on a daily basis in this country.
Right, Osama, at the backdrop of, the R.J. Kaur Medical College rape and murder case, while the entire country at this point, not just doctors are on the streets protesting against such violence against women, there is another case that crops up from the Birbhum district in Bengal. This was at Ilam Bazar Health Center, wherein an on-duty nurse was molested by a patient. So this patient came in complaining of a fever, and as per the instructions of her superior at work, the nurse went on to administer saline at this patient. So it is during that time that she went to administer treatment upon him is when she was misappropriately touched by him, and she also clearly claims that she felt that he misbehaved with her, and also she adds that this happened in the presence of his family members as well. So the nurse has definitely lodged a complaint with the police, and it's a written complaint that has been filed, and the police have taken action on this. They have arrested this patient, this person accused, and what the nurse can also be heard, she said, she added on saying that when she was asked that, why is it that this sort of misappropriate and unsafe pattern is perpetuating at this point, all she had to say was that it is the lack of safety for nurses, doctors all across at this point in the medical profession.